Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, September the 3rd. These are the charts of the day. Another lousy day on Wall Street, but another day with excellent trades that were evident, and also some stocks that we follow that are either emerging or acting very well. Let's take a look at a few of them. Starting with Bayo. Now, this is a stock that came out of nowhere. If you remember, we traded that back in 2017-18, but it's been hammered from the 20 range all the way down to under 2, and today reversed incredibly from looks like a close down around the $1.55 range and doubled quickly today. Got up to the 50 and backed off and held on most of the gains. It was up $1.40. That's 91% on 23 million shares, unheard of for the stock. When you get that kind of a thrust coming off a low, following a spike down and a breakaway gap, it often will lead to more. And what I'd say on this one is to keep close tabs on it. I think our next target is near 4. And then we're looking at near 5. And that's what I'll be looking for going forward from a Bayo. If we can get back over the 50-day moving average, which right now stands at about 319, today's close, 294. So let's watch that for tomorrow. RKDA special day today, exploded on 19 million shares. The day traded that one nicely. The resistance on it right now is right about where the high was today. The stock closed. Let's see, it got up today to about 340, higher than that. Yeah, 5, almost 6, right? Yeah, so let's just say, yeah, it went up to about 6, backed off, closed 582, net go up in 242 or 71%, 19 million. Again, the kind of thrust off the low twice in the last couple of months, couple of weeks, excuse me. So today I'm looking for a test of the big gap and a double top up around 8, 8.5. That's your next target. DVAX may be emerging too. If you see the inverse head and shoulders, that's what it looks like to me. Here would be your neckline, something like that. And this would be your, your shoulder line. This is your neckline. So any thrust up above 4 3/4, 475, yeah, 485, I should say. Then I'm looking for 6, 6 3/4, and 8. Keep an eye on the long-term declining top sign as well. It comes into play also about 7. INMD. Just a moment. Okay, there you have it. Fairly new IPO. Beautiful run after the few days of hesitation after the public offer. It then gapped and ran hard for 7, 8 days in a row. And then it pulled back. And I think this stock has more to go. I'm looking at this whole pattern as a flag consolidation. Once we break out above 23 3/4, I'm looking for high 20s. KL continues to push again. Today's high over 50, close 49.94 up 118. Fantastic long-term chart, especially since the November low. It was trading at 18. At this rate, it's going to be up 200% in the next few weeks. If we get through this zone, we can see a spike up into near 60. LCI popped and pulled back, but I keep my tabs on this one. I'm expecting some consolidation setup, but I like the look of it overall. I think this is headed to 17. NETE exploded, pulled back, exploded, pulled back, and held, and now it's going again. This heads up from GO in this one got my attention. I'll move over 685. My next target could get us up to 9.5. This could be an interesting swing trade. NXTC, a beautiful new IPO after bottoming around 14 1/4, moves vertical 37. Fantastic. Strong momentum. I don't know how far it goes before it pulls back, but it looks to me like a stock could be in the mid-40s. Not too long. PIRS popped out, or looks like it may have popped out the month-long declining channel. A little engulfing bar here, not a lot of volume, so let's see if there's a follow-through. And if so, we're looking for 540 and 6. PTGX, this is an interesting looking chart, nice base. It's up against resistance, should it break out here. 17, 20, and 23 targets. RKDA, I really like the way this is setting up in a rising flag. We'll see if it's able to extend this pattern or even accelerate it if, in fact, it holds this line. Then I would look for a pop to about 11 and up to 14. TVIX and UVXY, I like these. I think they're setting up for a pop should the market fall. I'm pretty sure we're going to see an explosive move on it. perhaps into the high 20s, low 30s. Same with the UVXY, into the mid 40s, maybe low 50s. USLV is overbought and extended, but momentum is pretty strong. However, I would be careful with that. And finally, WW looks like it's coming out of the flag. What it really needs is a momentum push to 3160. Then you're on your way to 38 and 44. And that's it tonight for the charts of the day. Have a good evening.